Bin.
First, you have to switch. And you have double cut.
Para ito yan.
Meron mo karami ka na kaya. Sabi niyo ko buwan. Sabi niyo ko buwan. Oh, hindi mo dito!
Yun. Yes, yes. Di na, bili. Oh, yan.
Kapag one, high increase. So, itong illustration sa binary logic deals with binary variables and logic versus variables. So, itong circuit na ito, we have yung
Akala ko dun.
There's a button people, there's a button switch, there's a buzzer, no? So, kapag ang switch natin ay open circuit siya, ibig sabihin, kapag open din, walang current na mag-flow dyan. So, yung buzzer, hindi tutunog, no? So, this open circuit is represented by logic C1.
Yan yung nasa ano siya.
Ayun mo yun. Ganito yung circuit. Parang switch. Pero sa logic circuit, yung open circuit is represented by logic 0. So kapag 0, binary digit 0 is represented as open switch. Kapag open switch, walang current na flow yan. So walang output dito sa buzzer. Tunog. Dito naman sa logic 1, is represented by closed switch. Ang closed switch, kapag closed yung switch, siyempre makakatakbo yung current yan. So kapag makakatakbo yung current yan, the buzzer will sound. Magkaroon ng tunog. So itong closing ng switch, kabago na dito sa ako.
Nice, sinagutan.
Ay, tingnan.